Welcome to this tutorial, where you'll master the art of video editing using Filmora. Filmora is your go-to software for creating professional-looking videos without needing professional experience. It's user-friendly, packed with a myriad of features and tools that cater to both beginners and seasoned editors. From basic trims and cuts to special effects and transitions, Filmora has it all. It's the perfect platform to let your creativity soar. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create stunning videos with Filmora. First, you need to have Filmora on your computer. To get started, head over to the official Filmora website. Once there, look for a button that reads Free Download. Click on it and the download will start automatically. After the download is finished, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and double-click on it to begin the installation process. You'll be guided through a series of prompts. Just follow the instructions on the screen. It's as easy as pie. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the program. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to make your editing process smoother. On the top, you will find the menu bar with options like File, Edit, and Export. To the left, you'll see a media library for your files, and in the center, there's a preview window where you can watch your masterpiece come to life. Now that Filmora is set up, it's time to start editing. Before you can edit, you need to import your videos into Filmora. Here's how you do it. Start by opening Filmora, then click on the Import button located at the top left corner of the screen. You can choose to import individual files or entire folders. Once you've selected your video files, click Open. Your videos will then appear in the Media panel. From here, you can organize your videos in the project library. You can sort them by name, duration, type, or creation date. This is especially helpful if you're working with a lot of files. You can also create folders within the library to further categorize your videos. To add a video to your timeline, simply drag and drop it from the Media panel. You can do this with all types of media, not just videos, but also images and audio files. With your videos imported, you're ready to begin editing. Editing is where the magic happens. Imagine you're a sculptor. Your video footage is the raw marble, and the editing tools are your chisel and mallet. With every clip you cut, every scene you trim, you're chipping away at the excess to reveal the masterpiece within. Let's delve into the basics of this art form. First, let's talk about cutting. Think of it as the art of decision-making. You decide which parts of your footage make the cut and which ones are left on the cutting room floor. In Filmora, cutting is as simple as selecting the clip on the timeline, moving the playhead to the point you want to cut, and clicking the scissors icon. Just like that, one clip becomes two. Next, we have trimming. If cutting is about deciding what stays and what goes, trimming is about fine-tuning what stays. It's about adjusting the start and end points of your clips to get the timing just right. To trim a clip in Filmora, hover over the start or end of the clip until your cursor changes into a trim tool. Then click and drag to adjust the length. Remember, precision is key here. Finally, we'll look at arranging clips on the timeline. This is where you decide the order of events in your video. Want to start with the end and end with the beginning? You can do that. To rearrange clips in Filmora, click and drag them to their desired position on the timeline. It's like putting together a puzzle, each piece finding its place to create the overall picture. These techniques, cutting, trimming, and arranging, are the bread and butter of video editing. They are simple yet powerful, and with practice, you'll be wielding them like a pro in no time. But remember, this is just the beginning. These are the basics, but Filmora also offers advanced editing features. Ready to take your editing to the next level? Let's dive into the advanced editing techniques that can truly make your video pop. First on our list is transitions. Transitions are the secret sauce that binds your clips together, creating a smooth flow from one scene to the next. Filmora offers a wide array of transitions, from the classic fade in and out to more dynamic ones like whip pan and zoom transition. You can find them in the Transitions tab on the left panel. Simply drag your desired transition between two clips on the timeline, and voila, you have a seamless transition. Next up, we have effects. Effects can add an extra layer of professionalism and style to your video. Want to create a dreamy look or a vintage vibe? Perhaps you'd like to add some light leaks or camera shake for a more dynamic feel. Check out the Effects tab. Filmora's effects library is quite comprehensive, offering a plethora of options to suit your creative vision. Now, let's talk about color grading. Color grading is the process of altering and enhancing the color of your video. It's a powerful tool in setting the mood and tone of your video. In Filmora, you can adjust the color settings of your video by selecting a clip and clicking on the color icon above the timeline. You can manually adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness, or apply one of Filmora's preset color grades for a quick fix. Understanding and mastering these advanced techniques can take some time and practice, but don't be discouraged. Experiment with different transitions, effects, and color grades. See how they alter the feel and flow of your video. Remember, the goal is not just to make your video look good, but to tell your story in the most engaging way possible. These advanced techniques can really make your video stand out. So give them a try and let your creativity run wild. A good video isn't just about visuals. The audio plays a crucial role too. Let's dive into how we can enhance our video with the magic of sound. First, importing audio into Filmora is a walk in the park. Navigate to the Import button and select Import Media Files. Choose your audio file and click Open. Now, your audio will appear in the Media Library. To add it to your video, simply drag and drop it onto the audio track in your timeline. Editing the audio is equally painless. By right-clicking on the audio in your timeline and selecting Audio Detach, you can edit your audio independently from the video. You can trim, split, or adjust the volume to your liking. Want to add a bit of pizzazz? Filmora offers a variety of audio effects to choose from. Right-click on your audio, select Audio Effects, and choose the one you fancy. With your audio in place, your video is almost complete. Now that you're happy with your video, it's time to share it with the world. Let's dive into the exporting process. In Filmora, exporting a video is a breeze. First, click the Export button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open up a window with several options. You'll notice that Filmora offers a variety of file formats to choose from. Whether you need an MP4, an AVI, or even a GIF, Filmora has got you covered. Then, you'll want to select your desired quality settings. Filmora allows you to customize resolution, frame rate, and bitrate to your liking. You can go for the standard best setting for an optimal balance between quality and file size, or tweak the settings manually for more control. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button again, and Filmora will start rendering your video. Congratulations, you've just created a video with Filmora. Let's take a moment to recap what you've learned today. We kicked off with a comprehensive introduction to Filmora, an all-in-one editing software that has been making waves in the world of video creation. We walked you through the process of downloading and installing Filmora, ensuring you have the right tools at your fingertips to start your editing journey. From there, we dove into the nitty-gritty of importing your videos. We explored how to navigate through your files, how to select your videos, and how to import them into the Filmora workspace. Then, we moved on to the basic editing techniques. We covered a range of skills, from trimming and splitting your clips to adjusting the playback speed, ensuring you have a solid foundation to build upon. As we ventured into the realm of advanced editing techniques, we pushed the boundaries of your creativity. We explored color grading, keyframing, and even green screen effects. We also touched on adding audio to your videos, focusing on how to import sound clips, adjust their volume, and synchronize them with your visuals. Finally, we wrapped up with exporting your video, where we discussed various formats and resolution options to ensure your finished product is of the highest quality. Thanks for taking part in this tutorial. Now go out there